Hi everyone. So today I'm going to customize my YouTube channel to customize the banner image. And for that, I'm going to use a scientific Python library to calculate diffraction and interference. It was developed in the University Complutense de Madrid by Sanchez Brea. It's really good tool for simulating beam propagation method and diffraction through different gratings and lens and to focus the beam. But for this purpose, I'm going to use it creatively, just to change the banner image of the YouTube. So I already have the code, so it will take a long time to calculate the beam because the size of the beam, the samples are 2048 by 2048, and the beam waist is just 5 micrometers centered in the 0, so just a straight line, and it will give like a nice cyber laser effect from Star Wars. So this is what I want. Let's wait. Yeah, so here is my beam. Okay, so now I just need to download the beam to the just need to resize the beam. So I already have resized the beam. Now I just download the beam to YouTube. Okay, so let's publish. Okay, now let's look. Oh, very beautiful. Yes, this is what I wanted to see. Okay, thanks for your attention. Bye.